Okay, FK gang, I'm gonna be making some Irish moss, but it's a 2 days process. And I'm showing you from tonight how I do the first step, which is soaking it overnight, washing it and soaking it overnight. So here I took out a little over a handful. And we need to wash all the salt out of the moss. Let us give thanks for God to create such wonderful, healthy moss for her body with so much health benefits. You know, we have to give him thanks. Always give thanks to things that come from the earth. See all the salt in the bottom. So guys, now that it's nice and washed, I'm going to put it to soak with enough water to cover it. I'm going to squeeze some lemon in the water. Okay, so I'm going to have this sit overnight because I don't boil my moss. When you boil the moss, you ruin all the health benefits. So you put it to soak overnight before making your moss, okay? And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay guys, here is the Irish moss. You see how it doubled in size after soaking overnight? And actually, I'm not throwing away that water. Leave it on. I'm using this water to water my plants and my herbs. So I'm using cold water to rinse this again. Like 2 more times. Okay guys, there's the moss. I just put in a blender. And I'm going to use some filter water. Putting in just enough, just a little bit over the amount. You see that? And I'm going to blend this. Guys, you see how nice and smooth it is? This is how you make Irish moss. And you get all the health benefits from it when you don't boil it. And I'm going to show you how I store my Irish moss. And you can put it in any of your smoothie. Look at that, guys. You get all the health benefits when you make Irish moss like this. I'm telling you guys. It's really good for you with a lot of great health benefits. All you need is a mason jar to store it in your refrigerator. And by the time it gets cold, it's gonna be like sticking to the jar. And you just take a spoonful or two and put it in your choice of juice or smoothie. And you can even use it and cook. Alright guys, this is Fergie's. So I'll stick to the spoon. So guys, this is the Irish moss. After setting in the refrigerator for 2 hours, this is how your moss is supposed to be. You know how good it is when you hold it upside down and it doesn't fall out. Alright? That's your Irish moss.